what you mean, man. It's just more along the lines of, I'm not always aware when somebody new is joining or not. So, you never know. Oh, alright, give me a second, guys. My dad's calling me, so I'm gonna have to mute the chat. Hey, sorry about that, guys. Had a call from my dad, but yeah, Robin, I was reading what you were saying. When you get into a chat, people try to say my name, and it just decides to split or something. Yeah, I get you. But yeah, sorry if I made you feel that I was uncomfortable or something. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Big boy, big boy, big boy, die, die, die. Doom glove ammo. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. Rustic, what you up to? Ow. Yeah, and actually, Robin, what you up to too? I hear somebody. Who's walking? And actually, are you a streamer as well, Robin? I'm just wondering. Let's see what's up here. Because it makes me happy. I'm ready to be disappointed in my monster. I've been a little bit quiet. Hey, well, I've had Robin to keep me busy, so you're okay for now. For now. I need that talking, girl. I need my viewers to be active with me. Oh god, how am I supposed to go? Oh, okay. It's not as far as I thought. Oh. Not bad. My bad. It's just more than anything. I mean, I let my gaming try to speak for itself most of the time. I try to do my best. And I just try to bring a little bit of humor to the game as well. Holy crap, that was a lot. I'm a dude. I know, you're a dude. I figured as much. But Kiev Kresnik is actually a girl. Just so you know. No, I ain't getting close to you. Screw that. Oh god, ow, ow, ow. Ooh, what do we got here?
Sweet! Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as...
Yay, very sucky. How do we use this suck cannon? I want to suck on some enemies. Enemies only. I won't say any more. Ugh. You there, enemy, come here. Oh, ow. Yeah. Flying through the sky. No, don't hit me. Woo! I like the sound of this weapon. Come here. I want to eat you. I want to eat you. Come here. Come here. And it's A-okay. Let's see. I came through there. Let's buy this.
I got some great bargains for you today.
The Doom Glove. What does this do? Is it just a more powerful boom? I mean, yeah, I guess I am still a smaller streamer. I don't want to be thought as one for long, because my goal is to get probably 200. I mean, when I hit the 100 mark, I'm going to be really happy with myself. I mean, probably, I don't know, as I should be. Here, I'm gonna use the suck cannon. It's gonna suck here. Come here, suck. Come here, Sammy wanna suck you. I'm gonna stop speaking like that. Cause that's really strange. Come here. Okay, that's noted. Thanks for that advice. Because I was probably going to start sucking bigger enemies and I was going to be in trouble. What's this? What is this thing? I have a cannon shot. I'll just stop. I think I've done everything on this level. Have I? I think so. I'm just gonna fire this. Oh yeah, without a doubt, I am much smaller than that. And I don't know if I'll ever get that far. I'd love to get that far, but yeah. That's not good. That's a no. That's a no-no. But anyways, I'm done eating, so let's turn on a cam, shall we? There we go. 1, 2, 3, checking. There we go. Okay. Let me check how my ammo, how everything's looking.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Ammo, blaster. Give me ammo.
Oh, that's a nice one.
You have a good memory on you, my friend. I'm gonna use this dim glove at some point, just not yet. I think we've completed this place. Let's see, I gotta go to Barge. Yeah, Barge Nebula. Hey! Sure, I mean, did you watch my next video? I did, another continuation of Sly 1. Or, I continued Sly 1, and I got through Ms. Ruby, and I got through, the Panda King. So now I'm waiting on, getting... I guess, yeah, just doing Clockwork's mission. But yeah, I can try to do that at some point. I don't know if this Friday will be best, but we'll find out. I can't tell you for sure. This game is pretty good about one thing. Loading-wise, it doesn't have to do that at all. Rem, say hi. Say hi to Robin. What is this? What is this thing? Oh. What do we got?
I got some great bargains for you today.
I kind of want the taunter. Oh, it is a weapon, okay. I was making sure it was a weapon. Yeah, I would suggest catching up with me because, I mean, I have no problem with replaying missions. It's just I don't like to do it if I don't have to. Oh yeah, football. Football is good. I'm American. Who am I kidding? Ooh, what have we got here?
This shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned Yarg warship. Our scanners indicate that there may be useful technology on board.
I will board the warship later. I played flag football once. Ow. Ow. Hi there. Oh god, there's so much. Now they're pissed. You know what? Here, I'll do this. Have fun, guys! Come get me. I prefer not dying. Go get him.